My beautiful child, I want to start by saying I love you so much, and I am so proud of you. You are amazing. Remember that always, and don't allow anybody to make you feel like that is not so. You are growing now and ready to engage in relationships, be it romantic or friendships. As you navigate this journey called life, trust yourself and your gut, as that is God's compass to you to protect you and guide you. Don't ignore any signs, no matter how big or small. When someone shows you who they are, believe them, no matter how much you want to believe otherwise. Believe what they are showing you. Don't be blinded by how you want to believe a person to be. Always communicate with others openly and honestly. Share your thoughts and feelings with people, even if it may not be easy. Be careful who you open up to as well, because some people use what you share in confidence against you in future. Be open to listening to others' thoughts and feelings, as relationships are a two-way street. Embody what you would like to be given to you in any relationship. Learn to always understand the emotions behind the words that are being said. For they are not just words, but sharing of how one feels. Build a strong foundation in your relationships through open and honest communication, and encourage the other to do the same. Remember, you are worthy of love. You are worthy of happiness. You are worthy of all things beautiful. You deserve love. You deserve kindness. You deserve happiness and all things beautiful. You are love. Always remember who you are and always be true to yourself. That's important for healthy and balanced relationships. If someone does not love you for who you are and you cannot be yourself in that relationship, remember that is a sign from God that that relationship is not for you, as no one should compromise being themselves to make others happy. Remember that I am always here for you, no matter what, even if it's not physically. Come to me to share how your relationships you are building are going. Whether you are going through challenges or joys in your relationships, I will always be here to listen with an open heart and not judge you. For nobody is perfect, and we are all learning and growing. Life's joys and challenges are lessons to learn, to grow, to heal, to evolve, and to do better. Be kind to yourself and those around you. Don't be too hard on yourself to be perfect, and always putting your best efforts forward in all that you do in life. Just be yourself and open yourself up to learning and applying what you have learned in your life in all that you do. As you embark on this journey of connections with others, know that relationships are beautiful and can be filled with love, healing, laughter, and they can also come with challenges. Handle those challenges with love. And remember to do unto others as you would like done unto you. Be careful not to do to others what you would not like done unto you, as that would not be fair to the other. If you expect kindness, be kind. If you expect love, be love. Show the love and embody all that you expect. It starts with you. Remember that love is a verb. It is a doing word. And actions speak so much louder than just uttering some words. Never lose yourself in any relationship. Always put yourself first. It is not selfish. You cannot give what you do not have yourself. So in order to give someone love, you need to start with loving yourself and showing yourself love first. Never compromise your values and identity for anyone, no matter how much you may love them or think you love them. Forgive those who do you wrong in relationships. It's not for them, it's for you. Those who don't forgive block their own gifts that are meant for them in life. Forgiveness is a gift for yourself that allows healing and growth in your life. Love and compassion has power. Use those powers wisely. Embrace your own imperfections and the imperfections of others, and find beauty in your differences and what you have in common. Always respect yourself and others. If you ever feel you are poorly treated, confide in me. I am here for you. Establish healthy boundaries and communicate clearly. Don't expect others to guess or know how you are feeling without telling them. Don't allow people to step over your boundaries, because if you do so, you have allowed them to do so. That will be on you. No is a complete sentence. Stick to the boundaries you have set. Embrace the challenges and joys of the relationships you build in life, as they are a beautiful way to connect, to grow, to learn, and to evolve. Be present in the relationships you build and cherish the moments and create memories. I am so proud of you. Be proud of yourself too. You are doing great things in life every day. Continue to be great. I love you so much.